Looking out into the nighttime, city wings asleep beside. Hear her voice, it shakes my window. Sweet seducing sighs, get me out into the nighttime. For walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an echo, then let me take a bite. Why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why?